Hey everyone, this is Johnny over at Apple Chevrolet in Tinley Park, Illinois. Today I'm standing in front of my pre-owned vehicle pick of the week, the 2019 Chevy Silverado 2500 HD. This vehicle only has 13,060 miles on it and has never been in any accidents. This 2500 HD comes with a 6-liter V8 engine, your Z71 off-road package, back tinted windows, and 17-inch machine alloy wheels. Now when we go ahead and get inside this vehicle, you can see that we do have our assist steps. We have jet black cloth seating throughout the entire vehicle. We have our center console that flips into another seat. We have our Chevy MyLink radio. We have our push to talk and your standard cruise control. This is Johnny over at Apple Chevrolet. Thanks for taking the time to watch my video. I hope you guys have a great day.